Welcome friends. In this video we shall learn a very important method to find the squares of a given number, and this method is called diagonal method, and we shall learn this method by an example, and the example is as follows. Find the squares of the following numbers by using diagonal method. And here are the three parts of the example. In part 1 we are given a number 79, in second 854, and in third we are given a number 2574. And let us start finding squares of these numbers by using diagonal method, and we shall start with part 1. And in part 1 we are given a number 79, and now we shall count the digits of the number, and we see that there are 2 digits, so we shall draw a square. This is the square, and shall make 4 equal parts of this square. And now we shall write this number like here 79 and here 79, and now we shall multiply 7 with 7 to get 49, and we shall write 49 like this, and 7 with 9 to get 63, we shall write unit digit here and tens digit here, and now we shall multiply this 9 with this 7 to get 63, and we shall write 63 like this, and now we shall multiply 9 with 9 to get 81. Now we shall start adding these digits diagonally, and first of all we see that in lower diagonal there is nothing to add with this one, so the sum of this lower diagonal is 1, and we shall underline this 1, so we can find the square of 79 like this. The unit digit of the square of 79 will be 1, because here is 1, and now we shall add these 3 digits, 3 plus 8 plus 3, and to get 14, and now we shall underline the unit digit of this sum and write this 4, this unit digit here, and carry over this tens digit, this means 1 here, and add these 6, 9 and 6, and it is equal to 22. And now we shall underline the unit digit of this sum and write here, and now we shall carry over this 2 here to add with 4, and it is equals to 6. So we shall underline this 6 and write here. So the square of 79 is 6241. This is how we can find the square of any 2-digit number by using diagonal method. Let us move to the second part of the question, and in second part we are given a number 854. So we shall draw an square and make 3 square parts. This means 9 parts of this square, and now we shall write the given number. The given number is 854, and we shall write digits over the each column like this, and 854 like this. Now we shall multiply these numbers. 8 into 8 means 64, we shall write 64 like this. 8 5s are 40, we shall write like this, and 8 4s are 32, we shall write like this. And now we shall multiply 5 with 8 to get 40 and fill part of the square, and 5 into 5 means 25, and 5 4s are 20. Now we shall multiply 4 with 8 to get 32, 4 with 5 to get 20, and 4 with 4 to get 16. Now we shall start adding the diagonals. In lowest diagonal there is 6 and there is nothing to add with this 6 too. So the sum of the digits of the lowest diagonal is equals to 6. So we can calculate the square of 854, and the unit digit of the square of 854 will be 6 because sum of the digits in lowest diagonal is 6. So we shall write 6 here, and now we shall add this diagonal 0 plus 1 plus 0. This means 0 plus 1 plus 0 means 1, and now we shall underline this 1 and write here. And now we shall add this diagonal, and the digits in diagonal are 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. This means 13. And now we shall underline the unit digit of this sum and write here, and carry over this 1 to the next sum of the digits of the next diagonal, and that is 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3, and if we add these numbers we get, so the sum is equal to 9, and this is a single digit, and so we shall underline it and write here. And now we shall add the digits in this diagonal 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4, this means 12. And now we shall underline the unit digit of this sum and write here, that is 2, and carry over the 10th digit of this sum to the next sum of the digits of the next diagonal, and that is 1 plus 6 equals to 7. And now we shall underline this sum, the 7, and write here. So the square of 854 is equals to 7,29,316. So this is the solution of the second part, and now we shall move to the third part of the example. And in third part we are given a number in which the digits are 4. We are given a 4-digit number, so we shall draw a square. This is a square, and make it 4 square, means 16 parts of the square. And now we shall write the numbers like this: 2, 5, 7, 4, and here 2, 5, 7, 4. And now we shall start multiplying these numbers. 2 with 2, 4, and we can write 4 like this. And if we multiply 2 with 5 we get 10, we can write like this. 2 with 7 to get 14, and 2 with 4 means 8, and 8 can be written like this. And now we shall multiply 5 with these, 5 with 2 to get 10, 5 with 5 to get 25, 5 with 7 to get 35, and 5 with 4 to get 20. And now we shall multiply by 7, and 7 to the 14, 7 5 the 35, 7 7 the 49, 7 4 the 28. Now we shall multiply by 4 to get 4 to the 8, 8 can be written like this. 4 5 the 20, 4 7 the 28, 4 4 the 16. Now we shall start adding the digits in the diagonal, we shall start with lowest diagonal, and here is 6. So the square of 2574 equals to, the unit digit of the square will be 6, and now we shall add 8, 1 and 8, 8, 1 and 8 to get 17, and we shall underline the unit digit of this sum and write here. And now we shall carry over this one to the sum of the digits of the next diagonal. Then it will be 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 0. This means 14.